3 to succeed. Do you know the facts? Data from the Fairfax County Youth Survey show how having just 3 assets, also known as protective factors, gives students the tools they need to respond to life challenges and make healthier choices. It can make a difference in helping our teens not just survive, but to thrive.
What do you mean by thrive?
Thriving is more than just avoiding risky behavior. It's about growing towards and becoming people who make healthy and safe life choices. Respect people, property, and authority. Possess skills needed to manage and resolve conflict, and contribute to an effective and productive community for the common good of all. We can all help our teens thrive by giving them the protective factors or assets to help them thrive.
What is a protective factor? What kinds of assets?
6 assets from the survey were chosen to see how they relate to teen behavior. Success in school, involvement in decision-making, neighborhood adults to talk to, positive parental feedback, involvement in extracurricular activities, volunteering for community service. Then, selected behaviors were chosen to see if having any or all of these assets made a difference.
Students were asked, on how many occasions have you had beer, wine, or hard liquor during the last 30 days?
Underage drinking is a serious issue for teens. Of students who had none of the 6 assets, 45% drank alcohol. Of students who had all 6 assets, only 14% drank alcohol. Of students who had at least 3 assets, the percentage of students who drank alcohol dropped by 14 percentage points.
Students were also asked, have you ever had sex?
Of students who had none of the 6 assets, over half had ever had sex. Of students who had all 6 assets, only 15% engaged in sexual activity. Of students who had at least 3 assets, the rate dramatically dropped by 27 percentage points. Having at least 3 assets helps students be successful in resisting other unhealthy and unsafe behaviors, such as smoking cigarettes, attacking someone with the intent to harm them, and using marijuana. For students with all 6 assets, the rate of participation in unhealthy behaviors dropped by 20 percentage points, up to 40 percentage points. But even having just 3 assets made a dramatic impact. Thriving teens have opportunities to be involved and have strong relationships with family, peers, and other adults. You can make a difference in their lives. You can give them these assets.
I feel supported by my family and enjoy spending time with them. My parents let me know that they're proud of me, and I feel safe going to them whenever I have a problem.
The rules in my family are clear, especially about drugs and alcohol. My family listens to me, and I know my opinion counts.
My teacher shows she cares when she makes time for me to talk with her one-on-one. She gives me opportunities in and out of the classroom, praises me when I do a good job, and lets my family know.
It means a lot to me to know that there are adults outside of my family who care about me too. They know my name, talk to and listen to me, and encourage me to do my best.
You can support teens in your community by being involved as coaches, leaders, tutors, school volunteers, or by being a good neighbor or family friend. When we give our teens opportunities to be involved, offer supportive relationships, and recognize their good work and accomplishments, we give them the assets to help them make good decisions and put them on track to thrive. Remember, it just takes 3 to succeed. For more information, visit www.fairfaxcounty.gov/youth survey.